Hey everyone, my name is Jeffrey Falkinburg and I'm a professor here at UNL in the School of Computing. We are excited to be able to sponsor a project this year that will benefit UNL and the College of Engineering by enhancing the Husker STEM VR app to encourage more students to pursue degrees in STEM and engineering. Our team will be updating and expanding on the Husker STEM VR app for UNL's College of Engineering to encourage STEM outreach and recruitment. Students that choose to work on this project will have a lot of academic design freedom to decide what the final solution will look like. In a moment, I'm going to give you a little more about what motivated us to offer this project and what we envision the updated app should look like. This application has been used for engineering outreach throughout UNL. I am the principal investigator and will be your primary contact. The ultimate goal is to update and extend this Husker STEM VR app to support new mobile and VR devices and add a virtual tour of Kiewit Hall. Additionally, we'll add in more information and educational activities, capabilities for prospective students to explore other STEM degrees in the College of Engineering. A little background on me. I have been teaching at the School of Computing for 6 years. And in that time, I've been a senior design tribe lead, sponsoring and supporting many senior design projects like these. I also teach a freshman seminar to introduce incoming students to the School of Computing and the College of Engineering. Furthermore, I teach a computer organization course where students learn how to design and build an iOS processor on a DE10 Lite FPGA. Additionally, I teach an embedded systems class where students learn how to build drivers for an Arduino to interface with things like buttons, LEDs, switches, and eventually learn how to build a robot to drive through a maze. We also learn how to interface with an LCD display to build an Etch-a-Sketch and a retro Pong game. Lastly, I teach an advanced embedded systems course where students learn how to develop hardware and software interfaces of an oscilloscope and function generator using a Nexus Video FPGA. The problem we're facing is the School of Computing wanted a more engaging method to promote STEM outreach at UNL. We also wanted a way to make STEM more fun. The solution was to make learning fun by creating a virtual reality and mobile app designed to create an engaging learning environment. We can promote more diversity in STEM and create an educational environment that promotes inclusiveness. The idea is to update the Husker STEM VR app for new mobile devices and add in a virtual tour of Kiewit Hall. And then add in more additional activities and capabilities for prospective students to explore other STEM degrees within the College of Engineering. The first two teams were able to create an app built around Memorial Stadium, allowing students to learn about fun engineering activities and research happening at UNL and in the College of Engineering. In that app, they were able to learn about those different degrees. They were able to go through the portals and do different activities like chemical engineering, where they learned how to build and launch fireworks in Memorial Stadium, shown here. They learned how to build circuits to fix the scoreboard, as well as learning how to do coding to move the cameras around on the field, computer engineering, learning about robotics, as well as software engineering, where they learn how to fix some code to control the banners. And then there's even some activities to construct and build a drone and fly it in Memorial Stadium. Once the app is updated, For the new devices, we'll add eventually a virtual tour of Kiewit Hall, which is the new home of the Complete Engineer. It'll look something like this virtual walkthrough shown online. There will be activities in there in addition to the ones that are in Memorial Stadium. Here's a picture of the first team. This is a picture of the second team. Hopefully you'll want to join and become part of the third team. The scope of what we're planning on doing is the team is going to be tasked to update the STEM VR app on all platforms to support MetaQuest 3 as well as newer Android devices, newer iOS devices, and then after that's done, create that virtual walkthrough of the new Kiewit Hall, its classrooms and labs. And then the last task is to add in more information and more activities to explore some of the other degrees that we have here at UNL in the College of Engineering. Hopefully you're interested in expanding the virtual reality app to encourage STEM outreach. Otherwise, if you're interested in increasing enrollment in STEM careers, please join us on the Husker STEM VR app.